Good morning, student. Let us see the next part of this chapter, that is vector equation. Vector equation of a plane passing through a point A, A bar, and parallel to the vectors B bar and C bar is R bar is equal to R bar dot B bar cross C bar dot is equal to A bar dot B bar cross C bar. Isn't it? That we are going to prove. Prove. Let P R bar be any point on the plane. Plane is passing through a point A bar, and B bar and C bar be two vectors which are parallel to the given plane. We know that B bar cross C bar be a vector perpendicular to both B bar and C bar. Isn't it? Therefore, AP bar is also perpendicular to P bar cross C bar. Therefore, AP bar dot B bar cross C bar is equal to 0. Now AP bar is nothing but R bar minus A bar dot B bar cross C bar is equal to 0. That is R bar dot B bar cross C bar minus A bar dot B bar cross C bar is equal to 0. That is R bar dot B bar cross C bar is equal to A bar dot B bar cross C bar. This is the required vector equation of the plane passing through a point a bar and parallel to the vectors b bar and c bar. In this way we can prove this theorem, isn't it? Now b bar and c bar are parallel to the plane, and AP bar lie on the plane. Therefore, AP bar is also parallel to B bar and C bar. Therefore, AP bar can be expressed as lambda into B bar plus mu into C bar. AP bar is a linear combination of B bar and C bar. That is, R bar minus A bar is equal to lambda B bar plus mu C bar. Therefore, R bar is equal to A bar plus lambda B bar plus mu C bar. This is called as parametric equation of the plane. In this way, we see vector equation of a plane as well as parametric equation of a plane. When a plane is passing through a point A and parallel to two vectors B bar and C bar, isn't it? Let us see third vector equation of plane. Vector equation of a plane passing through three non-collinear points vector equation of plane passing through three non-collinear points is R bar minus A bar dot B bar minus A bar cross C bar minus A bar is equal to 0. Or we can write box product. This is nothing but the box product of R bar minus A bar, B bar minus A bar, C bar minus A bar is equal to 0. Let us prove this. Proof. Let A bar B B bar, C C bar, B any three non-collinear points on the plane. B, A and C. These are the 3 points, non-collinear points on the plane. Let P R bar be any point on the plane. Let us take another point P on the plane such that whose position vector is R bar be any point on the plane. Isn't it? Now, here AP bar, AB bar, AC bar are lie in the same plane. These all 3 vectors lie in the same plane, isn't it? Therefore, AP bar, AB bar, AC bar are coplanar vectors. 3 vectors lie in same plane, then these vectors are called as coplanar vectors, that we know, isn't it? Therefore, their box product is 0. Therefore, AP bar, AB bar, AC bar is equal to 0, that we know. That is, AP bar dot AB bar cross AC bar is equal to 0. Now, AP bar means R bar minus A bar dot AB bar means B bar minus A bar cross AC bar means C bar minus A bar is equal to 0. Isn't it? This can be written as box product of, that is, R bar minus A bar, B bar minus A bar, C bar minus A bar is equal to 0. This is the required vector equation of the plane passing through three non-collinear points A bar, B bar and C bar. In this way we can prove this, isn't it? Cartesian, let us see Cartesian. Cartesian, Cartesian equation of a plane passing through three non-collinear points A, B and C is given by x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 is equal to 0. Isn't it? Here A is equal to x1, y1, z1. B is equal to x2, y2, z2. C is equal to x3, y3, z3. And P is the point, any point, x, y, z. Then Cartesian equation of a plane passing through 3 point A, B, C is this. Then Cartesian equation of the plane is, once again I am repeating, x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, and z3 minus z1 is equal to 0. By using this formula, we can find the Cartesian equation of a plane, isn't it? Next part, that is equation of plane in normal form, that we are going to see in, and equation of a plane passing through two intersecting plane, that we are going to see in next video, isn't it? Or otherwise, let us see here. in this video we will complete this. First we will see the equation of a plane passing through intersection of two planes. Let us see last point first, and last but one, that we will see in on next page, isn't it? Fifth point, that is equation of plane passing through the intersection, intersection, intersection of two planes r bar dot n1 bar minus d1 is equal to 0, and r bar dot n2 bar minus d2 is equal to 0 is given by r bar dot n1 bar plus lambda n2 bar is equal to d1 plus lambda d2. Here we can draw the diagram. This is one plane and this is another plane. Equation of this plane is r bar dot n2 bar is equal to d2, we can write. And equation of this plane is r bar dot n1 bar is equal to d1. Now our plane is passing through these two. This is our required plane which is passing through this intersection, and equation of this plane is r bar dot n1 bar plus lambda n2 bar is equal to d1 plus lambda d2. This is our required equation of a plane passing through the intersection of two planes, isn't it? This is a required plane. Isn't it? Now let us see the last but one topic of this chapter is equation of plane in normal form. Is r bar dot n cap is equal to p. That we are going to see now. Proof. Let us see. This is a plane. This is a point N which is on the plane. Let P be any other point on the plane whose position is r bar. Join ON. Now ON become a normal to this plane, isn't it? And distance ON is equal to P. N cap is the unit vector along the normal, isn't it? Now let us write. Let N be any point on the plane. And P r bar be another any point on the plane. Join ON. Therefore, ON bar is normal to the plane, and let ON, distance ON is equal to P. Therefore, ON bar is equal to, we have P dot N cap. Why? Since N bar is equal to P dot N cap, isn't it? Here NP bar is perpendicular to N cap. Therefore, NP bar dot N cap is equal to 0, isn't it? Now NP means r bar minus p dot n cap dot n cap. Here we can write the simplest is that r bar minus n bar, isn't it, is equal to 0. Dot n cap is equal to 0. That is r bar minus n bar means p dot n cap is equal to 0. Now do multiplication. R bar dot n cap minus p into n cap dot n cap is equal to 0. That is r bar dot n cap minus p into 1 is equal to 0. Since we know I cap dot I cap is equal to 1, similarly n cap dot n cap is equal to 1. Therefore, r bar dot n cap is equal to p. This is required normal. This is required normal form of vector equation of. This is required normal form of vector equation of the plane. In this way we complete theoretical part. On this part, exercise 6.3 is completely based on this theoretical part. Exercise 6.3 we will see in coming video. Problems in exercise 6.3 we will see in coming video, isn't it? And after completing exercise 6.3 we will complete this chapter, isn't it?